Hello friends, I am Dr. Bijpal Singh Rajawat, Assistant Professor, College of Agriculture Sciences, Tirthankar Mahadiri University, Muradabad, Uttar Pradesh. Today we are discussing about importance of ornamental crops. What is ornamental crop? Ornamental crop is a growing of the plants for the purpose of beautification and aesthetic purpose. It's called ornamentals plants. Some term used in ornamental plant study. What is ornamental? Ornamental the plant grown for ornament या beautification. Beautification of land या self adornment एक ornamentals ornamental. What is floriculture? Floriculture is the aesthetic branch of horticulture. It deals with the cultivation of ornamentals, annuals, biennials, perennial plant including the potted one and also their marketing. Growing of ornamental plants annual, biennial and perennial for the purpose of beautification and selling purpose for employment generation. This is also include marketing for local, distant market, export of cut flower, live plant, economic product like sand, oil and medicine. These are the plant local market growing for the local condition, local requirement के according and distance market and export. Export means growing of high uh, high longevity plants, yeah, high longevity या high storability plant and used for export, used for export. Important field of floriculture. Floriculture field, the loose flower and traditional flower. Loose flower growing of the flower for the purpose of worship and purpose of extraction of dye, etc. Loose flower less technology used for the growing of purpose in field condition. Growing of loose flower in field condition like marigold, example of loose flower marigold. Cut flower, cut foliage plant, ornamental plant production, natural dye, dry flowers, seed production in flowering animals. The flower importance. Flower are the associated with the mankind from the dawn of civilization. India is born with flower. The people born with flower, live with flowers, and finally die with flower. The flower used every event and every function of life. Uh, life. Flower are used for the various purpose in our day-to-day life like worshipping, religious functions, social functions, wedding, interior decoration, and self-adornment. Yes. Saying it is the flower is very common. Different flower are used to convey the human feeling like flower commonly used for such purpose are rose for the love, expression of love, pansy for thoughts, carnation white for woman's love, French marigold for jealous and sorrow, African marigold for vulgar minds, daffodil for regard, amaryllis for pride, iris for message, snapdragon for perception, jasmine for amiability, lily for purity. Flower are the two type, cut flower and loose flower. Cut flower, the flower along with the stalk, yeah, along with the stem. The stem supply the food material for the increase the enhance the storability of flower. Example of cut flower: rose, gerbera, chrysanthemum, gladiolus, tuberose, carnation, etc. They generally fetch the high market price. The high expensive flower are exported material in the other country. They are used flower arrangement, preparation of bouquet, basket on table for sole purpose. Loose flower, the flower without stalk, yeah, without stem, is called the loose flower. Loose flower less market price and sold for local market, and storability very less. So example of marigold, jasmine, gaillardia, spider lily, china aster. So they are used for the preparation of floral garden, gajra, vanis, floral ornament, worshipping God, foliage planting trees. Some foliage plants and trees growing for the indoor decoration and outdoor gardening. A garden is an area adjacent to the house, any building especially made of the purpose of beautification and recreational need for people. Importance of ornamental crop. Beside the food and nutritional security, the aesthetic value is also equally important for our daily livelihood as well as the environmental purity. The floriculture is important from the following point of view: economic point of view, aesthetic point of view, and social point of view. The ornamental crop is very important for our daily life and our development and environment purification and feeling expression. First, discuss economic point of view. Economic point of view, gestation period of flower crop is very less compared to other crop, yeah, other production, other land use production system. So nowadays the flower arrangement, decoration for bouquet preparation and for floral basket have increased the substantial its share. The total trade has also improved. The present trend in floriculture for market making dry flower. Dry flower market is very important and used for making of decoration purpose and making of bouquet and making of dry flower scenery. The extraction of natural color and essential oil sector are also very capable to provide employment. There is the lot of the demand for the good quality flower seeds, ornamental planting material selling, and floriculture. Floriculture generates the self-employment opportunity round the year. The employment opportunity in the field of floriculture production, yeah, ornamental production. One can join the floriculture field as a farm या estate manager, plantation expert, supervisor, and project coordinator. So, teaching, research, extension scientist, teachers, or some other avenue of employment in all state agriculture universities. Marketing of floriculture product for different ventures, is emerging as a potential segment of this field. Besides, one can also work as a consultant, landscape architect, etc. with the proper training and give the proper training. One can also work the entrepreneur, offer the employment to others. In addition to these careers which involve the research and actual growing of crops, floriculture also provides service career opportunity which include such jobs like floral designer, groundkeeper, landscape designer, architect, and horticulturist. Another aesthetic point of view. Aesthetic point of view, the wealth of any nation. The wealth of any nation is linked with the health of its people. The unless we can ensure the healthy development of our citizen, especially for the younger generation, by providing them for open breathing places like garden, through the bioaesthetic planning. Bioaesthetic planning means man technology, the flora, local flora and fauna used for the aesthetic, used for the beautification, yeah, aesthetic point of view. Like bioaesthetic planning, example city, Chandigarh city, and landscape gardening, we cannot expect to building up to the healthy society, prosperous nation. The horticultural therapy, the horticultural therapy is new dimension of horticultural sciences to heal the psychic debility, and the science is used to garden landscape plant as new occupation therapeutic tools to restore the lost rhythm and harmony back to the human. It is being utilized the psychiatric hospitals, general hospital, and physical rehabilitation center, home for the elderly, precision and schools. The patients can achieve higher level of personal development and satisfaction through the aesthetic social point of view. The flower symbolize the purity, beauty, peace, love, adoration, innocence, and passion. Etc. And many flowers are used to express the most sensitive, delicate, loving feeling where our word fail to express. In our society, no social function is completed without the use of flower. A floral ornaments, bouquet, flower arrangement, they are invariably used in the social function. Used in the social gathering, birthday party, welcoming friend, relatives, honoring dignitaries. The concept of Valentine Day is the fast catching up India also. The floral garland, gajra, bani required in the marriage ceremony for the endowment, self-endowment of hair by women of the all age, especially in the South India. The flower are the very closely associated with the mankind from the dawn of human civilization. यानी एंशियंट टाइम से फ्लावर का यूजेज सोशल फंक्शन में चला आ रहा है, यानी फ्लावर का सोशल ह्यूमन लाइफ में मेन इम्पोर्टेंस है। चाहे एक्सट्रैक्शन ऑफ सेंट हो, चाहे एक्सट्रैक्शन ऑफ ऑयल का एक्सट्रैक्शन हो, और चाहे डाई का एक्सट्रैक्शन हो, चाहे कलर डाई का एक्सट्रैक्शन हो, चाहे किसी भी प्रकार की फंक्शन में फ्लावर का यूज होता ही है। इसीलिए एनी इंडियन बॉर्न विथ फ्लावर, लाइव विथ फ्लावर एंड फाइनली डाई विथ फ्लावर। फ्लावर के साथ ही जब वो जन्म लेता है उस समय भी फ्लावर से फ्लावर से उसको फ्लावर उस सेरेमनी में यूज किया जाता है, और जब वो लास्ट में फाइनली डाई होता है उस समय भी फ्लावर का यूज किया जाता है उसको फाइनली फ्यूनल्स में भी। इस पीपीटी को जो लिटरेचर लिया गया है वो एन कुमार 2018 इंट्रोडक्शन टू स्पाइस प्लांटेशन क्रॉप मेडिसिनल एंड एरोमेटिक प्लांट से लिया गया है, जो कि न्यू दिल्ली का पब्लिशर है। सो थैंक यू फॉर लिसनिंग।